If you've inherited a house in Gahanna, Ohio, this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been working in, and I actually live in Gahanna, Ohio, and one of the most common things that we see from people who are wanting to sell their house are people who actually inherited the house in Gahanna, Ohio. So I know firsthand, I've worked with many people who inherit properties, and it could be a lot. When you're going through the whole process, maybe there's a lot of paperwork involved, like with the estate, or maybe there's a court involved. So I already know your plate is probably full, and the last thing you need is more complexity. The first thing you need is more simplicity. That's exactly what we do here. So our company, Sell House Columbus, we have hundreds of reviews and positive testimonials and great feedback that we've worked with many people all throughout Gahanna and all throughout Columbus, because what we do is we buy the house in its as-is condition for a fair price. What allows us to buy the house in its true as-is condition, where you don't have to fix anything, clean anything, or haul anything away, is we're actually a cash buyer. So we're not relying on some lender approval or some formal appraisal. There is no, formal inspection like a traditional real estate sale. There's no realtor involved, so there's no commissions or fees or open houses and foot traffic and all of that. All of that is gone. When you sell the property to us, you're going to get a fair price. But since we're a cash buyer, we absolutely can move quickly and close on your timeline, and then you're not going to need to fix anything. No trips to the Home Depot. You don't need to clean anything out. I just left a house today where the person who lived there is now living in some kind of care facility or some kind of nursing facility. And, she's still alive. It wasn't an inherited house, but all of her stuff is still in there. And then her and her children and whatnot are kind of getting her stuff out that she wants. Anything she doesn't want, she's just leaving behind. And we're buying the house in its as-is condition. Anything you don't want out of the house, you can just leave it behind. You don't got to get a, garbage truck over there. You don't got to get a dumpster or anything like that. We buy houses in Gahanna in their as-is condition, even if it's full of stuff, even if it would be considered a hoarder house. This is very common in our world. We'll buy the house in its as-is condition. We pay cash. It's real cash. And we can close on the date of your choice. We have hundreds of reviews of people that we've purchased houses from that we're happy to share with you. We're going to treat you fair like a neighbor, because that's exactly what we are. We're not some call center or something like that. So if you've inherited a house in Gahanna, Ohio, you want to sell the house for a fair price and make everything extremely easy for yourself, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And like I mentioned, when we get on the phone, easy conversation, no pressure. We just need to know more information about the house and when you're looking to close, so we can accommodate your needs and close when you want to close. Some people need flexibility. Maybe the court is still involved. We can work with anything, any situation. We do this for a living, and we're going to be very fair, very transparent with you. You're going to know exactly how we're coming up with our numbers, so there's no guesswork, and you're going to know exactly where we're at in the process the entire time. So if you've inherited a house in Gahanna, you already got enough to do. You already got enough on your mind. Let's keep it simple. Remove any complexity here. Get you a fair price for the house. That's exactly what we do. Contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.